Origami, and today we will be making an origami Valentine's Day rose. First, you're going to need to turn this into a diamond. Then you take the back that's facing you and put it all the way up to the top. Push down like that. Go like that. Go like that. Next, you're going to need to flip it like this, so it's like that. And then you take the side that's pointing to you and go like that. Then you take your finger, go right by your other finger, boom, boom, boom. Next, you're going to want to make it like this. And then you're going to take the side that's pointing it to me, and I am going to push it all the way to the tip. Go like that, push down, take your fingers, and go like that. And then it's like this. And for the transforming ninja star, you'll have to go like that. But for this one, you'll have to go like this. Then take your finger and do that. The other way. Now it's at a triangle. Now we're going to put it down. And you're going to take the side that's sticking up. Take your finger, your index finger and your thumb. Put it right here. And then push it all the way up to the tippy top of that point, right here. Make sure you push down your creases. Do it with the other side. And then you flip it over and do the same thing. Then, boom. Now it's a perfect diamond. Now we go like this and take the part that you pushed up towards you. I am going to push down towards me. Like that. Boom. Then you flip it over. Do the same thing. Done with that part. Then I'm going to turn it to the side so you can see how I do this. So you make it go like this, then you take your two fingers, open it up till it's like that, then you push down like that. That's what it looks like. And then you're gonna do the same thing with the other side. So you're just gonna copy what you did from the other side of the piece of paper. Oh yeah, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video. Then it's like this. Then you take the top and bend it towards me. Then it's like that. Now it's like a mail message. Now you can flip it over like this. This is the very hard part. You take your index finger and push it down the middle, and then it's magic. Oh. Boom. Do the same thing with the other side. Erg. Huh. No. Then it's like this. Now you're going to flip it over to the other side. You make this stand up like that. You go into the middle like this. Then you pull all the way like that. And then you want to have it straight. Then you're going to do it the same thing for the other side. Boop. Then it's with 4 sides. Now you're going to take your 4 fingers, put it on here, and twist. So you're going to want to hold it in your hand and twist. And twist. And twist. And then when you're right here, you're going to want to pinch them all together. And then it will stay. And then I have this little stick that I'm going to roll up the sides. So you're going to go with one and roll it up very tight, but not too tight that it will rip. So it's like that. Oh my. There. See how it's like curled up? That's how you want it. And then you're going to do it the same thing with the other side, or with the other side of the point of the flower. Ooh. Oh my. This one's quite naughty. Okay. Now we go to the next one. There. Now you have a perfect rose, and you might want to twist it once again and pinch them together, and voila! You are all done with the flower. That's what it looks like when I'm holding it in my palm. It looks very nice. And for Valentine's Day, you can make these for your mom or your dad. If you liked my craft and origami video, like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to never miss out on any more videos.